What's going on? How we doing? Zishan, John Doe, Tony, Aya. How we doing? How we doing? I am looking for something and I can't. Oh, I remember. I don't even think I have the thing for Apex at 50% off. I don't think I ever made that one because it's never been 50% off. Yeah, I don't have it. I only have their 71. Let's see if I can make it real quick. Yeah, Apex is only 50% off at the moment. They don't have a sale going on at the moment. Well, this sucks. It's already breaking that level. You're breaking the level a minute early, man. What's 21 look like? Yeah, it's a decent amount. I might not actually take the morning trade today because isn't the stock market itself closed? Isn't today some kind of holiday? Well, I see pre-market for the stock, so they must be open. It's a holiday, but what kind of a holiday? It's clearly not the right kind of holiday. Just got funded with my funded futures. Nice, Alex. 50K starter. What is the daily max losses at 1200? Yes. And it will not blow the account. It's a soft breach. It does not blow the account. Technically, if you lost $1,200 twice, you'd still have the account. You would only have $1,000 in drawdown, though. Good morning, Cicerion. Wait, let me load this up. We'll take it with one contract. And oh, did that not hit our order? 541.75, 540 to the tick. All right, came back down and got us. That would have been kind of annoying. All right, we'll go over to the MNQ. We'll chill. Literally to the tick. That was funny. Again. Columbo Day. Gotcha. Go back down to 2. If I can get this in order. Load this up. Is there something wrong? I cannot buy an account? I don't think so. Anyone else recently buy a My Funded Futures account? Let me check their Discord. They don't seem to have anything like on the notice board or anything. Let me see what they're saying in the chat. No, I don't see anything. Exclamation point marbles in the chat though. Yeah, try again. Let me know if there is a problem. I'll let them know on your behalf. Exclamation point marbles in the chat. Get them in. We'll run the first one at 9:40 as always. So we'll see how many people we have here towards the end of the stream. If we have enough, I will go ahead and give away the Tradeify accounts. But if I feel like there's not that many people because the market is on a holiday today, there's not going to be a lot of volume, then I probably will wait until tomorrow. But we'll see. If we have 50 plus people in here, then I'll do it for sure because I feel like that's a good amount. I will trade on the eval the first 15 minutes. I will not trade on the funded the first 15. Got a nice little $100 cushion here on the eval so far today. The Cowboys are going to get their coach fired. The Cowboys looked Reddick. Absolutely Reddick. Yeah, there's no promotion on Apex right now. I'm trying. I didn't pay for my Canva this month because I didn't think I was going to need it again. Sorry, I'm watching the price real quick. But never did I think Apex. I thought I had all the current discounts that were going to be available. Never did I think Apex was going to run a no discount. So they got me there. The one that I didn't have saved was the 50%. I'm trying to find there. How many accounts do I have now? I have 2. Actually, I have 3. I have the Tradeify account, but I don't really use that because it's on Tradeify, which isn't a bad thing. I just trade everything on Rhythmic, so I don't have it all. I mean, I have it set up, but I don't have it set up. Ivan, how are you this morning? This is not fully getting rid of the background like I would like. Well, that did get rid of it, but it looks like poop, but we're gonna have to use it for now. All right, watching the price here. Gonna push up towards the bands. One more good push. I'll try to get in here. Come on. Come on. It's really struggling. Yeah, you could see it. You could see it struggling. This line is not from the daily. This one is as well. So if I were to think there's going to be a range, that's where I would think it's going to be. I should make those lines thicker. I want to hit the button, but it's just not that, it's not that big of a push. Come on, do it, do it. Oh, what a horrible fill. I saw it shoot back down. That's all right. Still go for 40 here. I thought I hit it as it was at the top, but it shot down as I hit it. That's a bummer. Could have got a better fill there. That was the move we were looking for, though. Just looking for the retest there. Almost got it. Come on. Come on. There it is. So we got 40 ticks. Probably could have got 50, maybe even 60 if we got the better fill there, but that was the move we were waiting for. It's rare we actually get those nice and early on. Yeah. Oh, I screwed it up. All right, updated the Apex there. What's up, Gunner? Good morning, good morning. Ivan, how we doing? Is Tradeify funded from start? They have different options, but yes, Tradeify has a straight to funded option, which is what most people are looking for with them. But they do have an advanced account and a growth account, which are more like your standard. One's like a My Funded Futures account, and the other ones are like the Apex accounts, like Apex, Bulenox, etc. Which I always get them mixed up, which is which, so I can tell you real quick. Do you have a video that teaches your opening trade? I don't, but it's not that hard for me to explain if you would like for me to just explain it to you real quick. So the advanced account is the one that is like Apex. The growth account is the one that's like My Funded Futures. And then there's the straight to sim funded, which is the obvious one. Yeah, so let's act like we're not at open yet. We'll say the open's about to happen. All I do is I look for very key levels, and then I set my take profit, which is 21 ticks for, that's what I'm using for My Funded Futures. And I just go right above the key area or right below the key area, and I look for the continuation. I'm using the volatility of that opening 930 candle, looking for it to break one of those key levels and give me the fill. Sometimes there will be a pretty obvious like retest area. So like say we came down to this level and we were working our way back up to this level, like this would be a key level. But if there's like another mid level, and I think that if we break that, we'll get a retest of there, I'll try to front run the key level if I'm far enough away from it. I don't want to be real close to the price action at the 930 candle, because then that's how you get ticked in a lot and then you get absolutely slaughtered. So it's really just me looking for key levels and then looking for those key levels to break, and I get my 21 ticks and I'm done. That's it. Tim is number 1 at opening range trade. He has a Tesla Model S. It's a Model Y, but you know, I'll still take the accolade. Yeah, no problem. Exclamation point marbles, get them in. What key levels do you chart? Just the, I look for very obvious support and resistance. That's it. On the 1 minute. I look for the most recent, very obvious support and resistance levels. If I get too close to one that I've marked off the hourly or the daily, I will try to stay away from those, because usually those act a little bit more strongly. Stupid 1 tick. On MFFU, if we don't get the minimum daily profit, do we never get payout? That would be correct. You need to have those 5 $100 days. It's part of the rules. So as you're hitting exclamation point marbles in the chat, or typing it, I should say, hit that like button as well. I would appreciate that. It is 9:40. We're going to go ahead and run the first one, shall we? I don't even have it loaded up. I thought I did. We'll go back to this until it's loaded. You don't know anything, Vala. You should learn ICT so you can turn 10K into $900. Damn it, you got me. I've been outed. AS outed me. All right, here we go. Closing it up. You put me in there first. If you guys haven't learned yet, code VOLA get you the best discounts at all the prop firms. 48 people, let's get it. You snuck in there. You snuck in there. Alrighty, here we go. For $105 in 3, 2, 1. Let's get it. Lepton, first one up. Rayu, how you doing, man? How you doing? Donovan, good morning. So remember, the first couple races, start to pay attention. What is one thing you would want to get rid of or add to make the map easier to pass in the next 5 races? We do still have, we got rid of the bump, but we do still have all those lasers on the bridge. Well, we have 3 of them. We have 3 lasers left. I got a feeling those will probably be the next to go. Because think about it. If you get rid of the lasers and the bump, if you make it down the hole and make it into the cone shape thing, you're good to go have a shot at the end, right? So that I feel like that's the next thing we should get rid of. The one thing I like to get rid of is his rigged. Get rid of his rigged and Tim. You're confusing me, Zishan. Zishan forgot to take his dose of English this morning. So we're going to let him do that and see what happens. We did just make new highs on the chart. We're coming up to that daily level at 609-ish. So watching it, but I would like to see the price go through that 609. Although it could bounce right off of it, but no, it started the retrace. So we'll probably wait until it goes through 609 if it does. Ticks before pips taking the lead here. It's got a nice little course there to the hammer. Paul going to try to sneak in there, and he does. Paul first one up there. Got a good line. Does he have enough speed? It's looking like he does. Got to get rid of that top spin. Get rid of the top spin. He's just enough. In. No bump. Lasers. This Paul is our first one down. Let's go. Here we go. Nope. That's a no bueno. Vincenzo, too much top spin. Enrique, that's not the way. Paul, you're still floating around down there. Who we got next? Damn Futures, that's not the way. Alex, that's not it either. Gonzalez? Ethan? Oh, trying to curve it in there. That's not the way. JP, here we go, JP. Down. Oh, the bounce. See, that's the bounce that we're always talking about. Janie or Janny? Oh, another bounce. Bishop? Oh, just missed. Who is that trader? Oh, that's not good. Exclamation point marbles. Get them in. 106. We'll leave Paul spinning until the next race. 106. We're up to that level that we were talking about. Let's see if we can push through it. Sorry, I ran out of coffee this morning and I don't have Red Bull. Don't you own gas stations that sell these things? Come on. Is marble play a regular thing? Oh yeah. We play at least 5 times a day. That's what our jackpot is for. So if you win the race at marbles, you win the jackpot. It's that simple. All you gotta do is be here, type exclamation point marbles in the chat, and when we play, if you win, you win. It's that easy. Completely free. All I ask is that you hit the like button and use code VOLA for when you sign up for your prop firms. You're going to sign up for them anyway. Why not help support me and the channel? And then I try to do my best to give as much of that back as possible with out giving it all back, like Mr. Beast claims to do, but actually doesn't. All right, I'm going to start one here. See if we can't come retest that. Nice little pop here. Going to get one ad quickly. Getting a nice little push here. I am still on the eval. From here out, if we stay above this 609, I will switch over to the funded. See if we can get the retest of that 609 real quick. Come on, come on. Ooh, there it is. I'll take that. I think it's 28 ticks with 4 contracts. Decent little trade there. Damn, don't expose him like that. He's gonna lose followers. Mr. Beast 2028. Yeah, Mr. Beast not doing too hot lately. Morosa 315, thanks for the sub. I guess you like the idea of the marbles. Welcome to the Volatility team. May the ticks be with you. Yes, I know. It's a catchy slogan. It feels weird saying it, but gotta have something, right? Grant Cardone said he's gonna run in 2028. That guy will not. No, there's no chance. Not a chance. You hear something else? What do you hear? Guys, I was 202 this morning. I was 202. 2 more pounds, and I get to at least trim my mustache. Oh yeah, let me switch over to the funded. I get to trim it so it's not as annoying and shave all this extra crap off. But until I hit my goal weight, I'm not allowed to touch the actual beard or my hair. But this stuff that's like around my lips that you see me playing with all day, I'm trimming that stuff. That's coming off. My goal weight is 90 pounds. No. Careful with the beard. Now, I'm not going to touch the beard. I'm not going to touch the beard. I grow this out every winter. It's just all the crap on my neck. I just want to get rid of that. But my hair, so I'm not allowed to touch my hair until I hit my goal weight, which is seeing a 1.7. So I still have a ways for that. All right, so we can get an extra push here. Go, 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 go. Oh. You'll lose me at the beard. Oh, the beard's not going anywhere. I'll give you my first pout if you shave it off. Nah, it's not worth it. $2,000 to shave something off I've had for 15 plus years. Nah, not worth it. Not worth it. You 10x that? Maybe. Maybe. It would be tempting. 20 grand to shave my beard? That'd be tempting. I still don't think I'd do it. 20, I don't know. It took me a long time to really like get this to grow in. I'm not one that grows it very easily. Man, this thing is just sailing. Can't seem to get that extra push. We're just trading for science at the moment, as I like to say. What about 20k in pesos? Nah. Come on, give us the big push. No, let me put one of these like wishful thinking orders out. So that way if it gets it and I'm too slow to hit the button. See, we're just getting the for science trades right now, where it kind of pokes through and then doesn't continue. Blah, 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 blah. Don't forget to hit that like button while you're typing exclamation point marbles. We'll run the next one at 10:15. 10:15 we'll run the next one. Like I said, as long as we have 50 plus people in here, we'll do the Tradeify account giveaways. The Tradeify giveaways are a 150k account, one for each type of account. So it'll be a 150k advanced account, 150k growth account, and then 150k straight to funded account. Whether I do that today or tomorrow is completely up to you guys. Whether there's enough of you here to run it, or I might wait till tomorrow, we'll see. All right, working our way back up here. Guys, all you had to do at 9:30 was just hit the buy button. It's that simple. I mean, I don't know why you guys don't know this stuff. I mean, easy peasy lemon squeezy. That 5-minute chart. Pretty crazy. 5-minute chart, you look at it from midnight Eastern. It's just been straight up. Take a quick glance at my stocks. Nothing too crazy. You did, Matt Rad? Good job. Good job. Are we gonna fake out and go lower? It's a long day, sir. What do you mean? I'm short. Let's go lower. Hey, VT, on a 50K eval my funded futures, does the 1200 blow the account, or is it also just a stop for the? It's just a stop for the day. You do not blow the account. The only place that I know that does that is Take Profit Trader. I don't know of another place that has the daily loss limit where it's a hard breach. If I'm wrong on that, feel free to correct me, but it is already up a lot. We are pretty straight up here. One, 2, 3, 4, 5 short. It should go lower for 50 points. What it should do and what it actually does. Yeah. Is there a way we can copy trade you? I don't recommend that. And no, there is not. That would be breaking the rules. Nice little push up here, so we can get a little bit more. Come on, come on, come on. One more little push. Do it. No. 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 Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Don't retest. Don't retest. Don't retest. Don't retest. Don't retest. Don't retest. No. Push, 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 push. Push. Doesn't want to push. Do it. Do it. Do it. This is killing me. All I want to do is hit the button. I'm trying to be so patient. Just not getting that fast movement that I like. Just not. Pop it. Pretty obvious trend line forming here as well. See if we can get the pop. All right, we're in. Come on. Nice. What a trade. I'll take that. That's why you wait for the pop. It's that simple. You just wait for the pop. Where's the one? Yeah. I think eventually we probably come down and retest this. Where's the other one? All the way down here. So pretty, I was going to draw this trend line real quick, but got in the trade there. Let's see what you guys are talking about over here. I thought we rule breakers, boys will be boys. Take profit, trader does it. I hate it. Yeah, the hard breach. Yeah. Thank you, Matt Rat. What is your tick profit execute? What do you mean? Like, what am I looking for? I'm simply just looking for a good push, because usually the faster the push, the more odds are in your favor that it's going to come back the other way. How many ticks get you out? I'm just looking for 21. If I have to add into the position, I'll start to look for just 20. But my initial position, I'm always looking for 40. If we come down to this previous resistance area, break through it, and break this trend line they got forming, I would then say we're probably going to start to work back down towards 530. That would be my assumption. So I believe, by the way, today... I believe today is the last day of the promo. No, it's tomorrow. So tomorrow is the last day for Tradeify. They have 40% off straight to funded and 55% off the advanced in their growth accounts right now. But tomorrow they also announce, which I think he said he's going to tell us today, which I'll post in my Discord, how many accounts they're going to go to. Looking for a good time? That'll be mom tomorrow night at the airport. How do you determine how far your thrust push goes before you enter? So I start to use my Keltner channels a little bit for that. The closer we get to the Keltner channels, I'll try to put my entries as close to them as possible. But I'm also trying to be a little bit realistic. So yeah, I'll give you an example. So like right now, I would put 40 ticks as my take profit. If I'm looking for a push, I'd want my take profit to be above where the current high is. So like I'd want it, see how it shows my take profit on the chart? I'd want it to be somewhere around there. And the closer I can get to these bands for my entry, the better. Because the odds are, all my strat is I'm looking for a push through the key area and then a retest of that key area. That's it. That's my strat in a nutshell. So the closer I can get to an extension, the better. So the closer we get to these bands, the higher probability that it's going to pull back. And then the odds are we're going to retest at some point. So as you can see, we're coming down and retesting that previous resistance, which was at 650. Now, whether we go through or bounce there, I don't know. That's a whole different story. That I don't know, and I will never claim to know. And that's the beauty of trading. When the limit you at 50,100 is the balance at the end of day or intraday. So I don't want to say this too loud. I think that depends on the broker, because there's some brokers that I've found that are intraday, and then there's some that I've found that are end of day. I was actually just talking about that with somebody in the Discord over the weekend. How do you draw your resistance lines? I just look for the highest. So look at as the price is going up, where does it stop? And then start to pull back. That's a resistance line, right? We ran into resistance there. We went through it, kept going up, kept going up, kept going up. When did we start to pull back? There you go. Another resistance line. Went up, went up. We're at the highs. Current resistance. There you go. All right. So we're starting to break that previous resistance, and we broke that trend line. So like I said, if we can come below 650, which is this current resistance that is trying to act as support right now, if we can get through that and it starts to act as resistance again, the odds are we're going to push down to that next key area. And that's all it is. Support and resistance. It's pretty easy. In my eyes. I'm starting, you know, the more and more I trade, the more and more I realize that we make it too hard. All right. So right now we broke through. I'd be looking for it to hold under. If we can hold under this 650 area, to me, the odds are we're going to start working our way back down to the 600 area, 605 area. Which overall, if you look what we broke through, this red line down here, if you look at the daily chart, this red line is what we broke through. So I would be looking for us to come down and retest that area. How long it would take, I have no idea. But You got 8 minutes. 8 minutes to get your marbles on the track. Exclamation point marbles in the chat. Get you onto the track for the chance at the jackpot. All you got to do as well, which is not required, but hit that like button. I'd appreciate that. It says there's 54 of you in here, only 26 likes. I want a 100% like rate, not 50%. Let's go. Let's go. Texas UAV pilot in the house, Jocko. So I was going to send Jocko a blow dryer, but I found out he doesn't live close enough. So I have to renege on the blow dryer there, Mr. Jocko. I'm sorry. All right, so now we wicked back up through, but it's failing. So it looks like we're trying to hold resistance here, but not quite yet. This is not a strategy that I trade, but I would definitely, if I was looking for trend type plays, clearly broke a trend line here. Next area of support is down here. I feel like you have a pretty clear stop point now, the top of this wick. Risk reward there is what? 1 to 5, maybe 5 to 1. You're looking for 5 rewards versus 1 risk. I mean, at least. Josh 808 in the house. What's going on? Cornelius, how we doing? Tyson, what's going on? My Keltner settings are I used a 13 EMA in the middle, and then it's 4 standard deviations on the bands. I will tell you, if any one of you are into backtesting, turn these Keltner channels on, scroll back during market hours, and find every single time that you see these Keltner channels get hit, and watch what it does. The real question is, are you patient enough to wait? Are you patient enough to wait for every time that it hits those bands? If you are, there's a strategy there. It's very clear, a very clear strategy. For anyone not in the Discord, I'll post the link right now in the chat if you would like to join up. There it is. All right, so we held that obvious stop point there, almost to the tick, and now we're headed back lower. I went to bed at 8:30 last night. I fell asleep. Well, I went up to fall asleep with my son, but he was already asleep. It was actually more like 8:45. But then I played on my phone for like 15 minutes, so I'm lying. It was more like 9 o'clock. So we can get rid of this trend line. I mean, you guys could see the obvious trend line there. I'm more of a support and resistance guy. But, I mean, that one was pretty obvious, so I figured I'd draw it. Just to give you the double confirmation that we're probably heading lower, right? Break trend line, break previous resistance. Pretty, almost as obvious as a trade as you can get. Darian, thank you for the subscription. Appreciate that. You should have told me to go to bed. Yeah, I forgot to call you last night. I know we've been talking before bed every night, so that's my bad. Well, Marius, if you knew it was going down, why didn't you short? Aya actually scares me. I was on my way back from, I don't even remember where I was coming back from. I want to say bowling, maybe? I don't remember. No, it wasn't, because it was during the day. Where did I go that day? I don't even remember. But then, all of a sudden, I was turning on my hotspot for my car, because I was testing something. And sure enough, there was her name on my hotspot. I sent her a picture of it, and I was like, I'm like looking around, like I'm looking around for Aya, like where is she? She's scaring the crap out of me. Oh, you were? Nice. Yeah, profit's profit. You say that until it comes all the way back up. Just because it looks like we're moving lower doesn't mean we're actually going to move lower. The NQ loves to fake people out. You always got to remember that too. So far, so good, though. Because now, if you are into drawing trend lines, we had this obvious one, right? We broke that, and we broke that clear resistance level. It is being held as resistance again. But now you could turn around and say, well, I can stay in this trade until this trend line breaks, right? Do we V straight back down? Maybe. Find out. I have no idea. But it sure looks like it's trying to. Making a little TP. Look at that. Almost perfect. All right, got 2 minutes. 2 minutes until we play some marbles. So what are you guys thinking for what we're going to get rid of? What do you guys want to get rid of on the track or add? Do you want to make that well, I forget what we were calling it on Friday. The cone, something cone. Forget exactly what we were calling it, but we were talking about making the cone bigger so that everyone, when you drop down, you'd make it. But then I believe the bump was the other one, but we finally got rid of the bump. So now it's a matter of like, do we get rid of the other 3 lasers? It would take 3 full days to get rid of all the lasers. But if you make it down there, you're good. You're good to the end there. You know, I'm starting to think I should probably take these trades. You see them happen. I like this is, guys, and this is just from years of sitting here staring at the charts. You start to see the same stuff over and over again. I just know that if I get in here, like my biggest thing is when I get in, I'm thinking I want to give it a little wiggle room. But where do you give it a little wiggle room just for a fake out? Like halfway, all the way back to the highs. Like it's very rare that it happens so perfectly like this, where you can just draw a line and it just holds it perfectly, support, resistance, and a trend line. But sometimes it does. And then sometimes it makes you feel silly for not just taking the trade, because it's like, well, that was such an obvious trade. Not only did we break the trend line that was going up, but we also broke an obvious resistance level, and it held as resistance again. It's like, how much more obvious does a trade get, you know? All right, here we go. Let's run some marbles, since we're nowhere near a trade at the moment. Hey, look, Paul, you're still spinning. I'll end your misery. All right, exclamation point marbles in the chat. If you're in, you're in. If not, you're gonna have to hope nobody wins. TCG Andy is here. Did he sneak in or was he already here? We're about to find out. I think he was already here. Rapsu, are you in here? I'll add you, Rapsu, if you're not already in here. I don't. Oh, yep, there you are. All right, 87. Let's go. I don't think I saw anybody mention what to get rid of. What do you guys want to get rid of? 3, 2, 1, $106. Let's get it. Alex, first one up. This is how we're going to be doing the Tradeify giveaways as well. But we'll be doing those at noon. We're going to do them at noon. I'm going to do the giveaways. And how we're going to do them is we're going to do that track that we did where Aya and AS won on Friday. The My Fund of Futures accounts. But we're gonna do that track three separate times. Or so you have to come. So if multiple people win, only one can win per track. Whoa! Look at that dive down on the charts. Part of me wants to trade this with the eval. We dove right through that support level. Watching it as we get closer to the bands. It came right back up to that previous line. Another one. Another one what? Sandy going to the right. Real quick, I'm gonna go throw a drink in the freezer. Beer back. Oh, look at this. Joss B, first one up. Made it back just in time. Joss B in. In we go. No bump. Laser! Lasers. Oh, you actually have a shot if you roll off the end. No! There's actually a chance to win there. There is a chance. I've never seen anyone... Oh, hey, you kind of missed the hole. Something I don't have a problem with, just saying. Jeff Stubborn. Everyone's missing the hole. Rashmi. I added a couple of... Oh, the laser. I thought the laser was going to go away and not get you jack of all trades. That's the wrong side. Texas UAV pilot. Oh, no! Rolled the wrong way. Jaya, no, that is not the way. Hannah, that is not the way. Rayu, maybe? Got enough speed? I think you do. Rayu should go down. That's pretty perfect. Down we go. In the hole. In. No bump. Lasers. No lasers. No lasers. Rayu's down. We have a shot. We have a shot. We do not have a shot. Anna gone. Rayu getting lasered. Exclamation point marbles in the chat. Up to 107. Get them in, get them in, get them in. Back over to the chart where we are still headed down. I want to hit the hole, add a blow dryer at the hole so I can get there. Bum 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 bum. Alrighty, alrighty. Don't forget to hit that like button. Do it, do it, do it, do it. So it does look like we're trying to use this resistance as support. I mean, which is pretty common, right? That's why we draw these lines. Unfortunately, if we just chop around in the middle here, it means we don't have any trades anytime soon. Buck50 Green sub to the channel. Thank you very much for that. Appreciate your support. Welcome to the Volatility team. May the ticks be with you. Who came up with the Volatility team thing? Like, I feel like it was cool at first. It just doesn't sound right coming off the tongue now. I like the May the ticks be with you, but the Volatility team thing is, I don't know. Ray, you did? That would explain why I don't like it. Welcome to the Vala gang. That I like a little bit better. Get your marbles in. We'll run the next one at 10:45. 10:45. Trying to space it out so that we get the Tradeify accounts in there at noon. Yeah, 10:45, then like 11:15, 11:45, and then we'll do the Tradeify accounts. Just say you're welcome, bro. Ain't got a yap forever. I mean, but I said I don't like it. I would say, wait, why say welcome? Why would I say welcome to you? Just say welcome, bro. Well, what if it's a gal? Are there another prop firms without activation fee? There are. One is brand new that I'm not even going to mention their name because they're too brand new and I don't want to shoot people over there. And the other one, the CEO is still not acting right, so I don't refer people over there either. Tradeify, however, seems to have their shit together, and they're paying out on time, very quickly as well. So why not just go to the? I don't understand. So I'm not saying you specifically, Marius, but I don't personally understand people that want to find other prop firms when there's clearly like the best firms. Right now, My Fund of Futures, if you don't mind paying a little bit more for evals, you get a full lifetime account for $76. Go find that anywhere else. It's nowhere. There's nothing even close. I think the next closest thing is Take Profit Trader right now with their sale. I think it's like $100. Apex Bulenox, unless Apex is running the 85% off or $85 lifetime activation fee, they're still with the 80% off sale. When they had it, that was 85 plus 40. So it was $125. That was the next cheapest. But then I think right now it's Take Profit Trader with their current discount. But if you're looking for straight to funded, then I think straight to funded is more about who's going to pay you out the quickest. Because sure, you might have less rules, but if you got to wait weeks, if not a month for your payout, is that really viable? Like, is that what you really want to do? I mean, just saying. My country is not allowed at MFF anymore. Oh, that sucks. That does suck. Knives, what's going on? Yeah, the whole country thing, I can't really help you there. But I mean, My Fund of Futures, I tested it with my most recent affiliate payout. It was literally within 8 minutes. It took me 8 minutes to go from my account to my bank account, not just my Rise account, bank account. So they paid me out. I went into Rise, cashed that out, and then looked at my bank. 8 minutes from account to account. Pretty crazy. Tradeify has a 125 USD activation fee. Yes, that is on the advanced. Is it the advanced? I keep getting these backwards. One of them has an activation fee. The other one is an upfront cost where there is no activation fee. I want to make sure I get them right. The advanced, there is an activation fee of 125. The growth, there is 0 activation fee, but it's like My Fund of Futures where you pay a little bit more upfront. Right now, today is the last day. You get 55% off on those, the advanced and the growth accounts. The straight to funded, you have obviously no activation fee, and they're 40% off. Yeah, My Fund of Futures is absolutely insane with their payouts. I hear Take Profit Trader is the same way. I have never received a payout with Take Profit Trader, but yeah. Who wants to meet up with Scott? Yeah, My Fund of Futures isn't allowed in every country. And I think that has to do with the, I don't know if you guys pay attention too much to the prop world, but apparently the regulations are coming. It's just a matter of time, according to people on YouTube. Obviously, I haven't looked into this myself. But if they are coming, I think a lot of the whole country, like countries that can and cannot trade with them, that is why. Because of the regulations they believe are coming. Take Profit Trader if you can't do MFFU. Yeah, I mean, Take Profit Trader does have the same setup. It just costs a little bit more. That's all. Is it 5 days in a row for My Fund of Futures payout? If you want it in 5 days, it doesn't have to be in a row. Unless you want to get the payout in 5 days, then yeah, it would have to be. I personally think the regulations will be a good thing. It'll suck for the country's aspect of it. But I think overall it'll be a good thing, because I think they'll also not only regulate the important things, but I think they'll start to regulate, well, if you can't pay your traders out in a timely manner, then you're not allowed to be a prop firm. I think that would be one of the best regulations possible. Exclamation point marbles, get them in. 10:45, you guys still have plenty of time. Hit that like button while you're there. What did Rayu say? Yeah. I answered his behind already. So yeah, Apex currently has no sale going on. Let me, Bulenox was supposed to end yesterday, but let's see if they extended it or not. So it still says 1013, but it's on the, it's still there, which means it's still active. So if you are a Bulenox trader, it was supposed to end yesterday, but it looks like it's still up. So obviously VOLA works there as well. VOLA 90, if for some reason that's not working, because we know the ongoing debate with them. Tradeify, their discount ends tomorrow, 55% off the advanced and the growth. Take Profit Trader, theirs is always fun to try to find, because apparently it's on their Instagram. I don't really get on Instagram too much. Let me see. Oh, I got messages on here. Who's trying to send me some messages? Or not? It says I have messages, but I don't see them. Oh, how do I find? I don't even know how to find. Do I just search for them? Where's the search? So take. I know I'm following them, but take. There it is. Let's see. Futures traders, you asked for it, so we're bringing no fee 40. So that's their current promo, I think, is the 40% off. Let's see, when does it end? You'll never pay an activation fee, meaning no matter how long it takes to pass the test or if you reset. So it says give 40% off for the life of any account and then get your pro account activation fees waived forever. So that's not bad, but I still think it's more expensive than My Funded Futures, if I'm not mistaken. Plus they have that, it turns to a, so they have this thing where it's end of day. Well, VOLA works for that as well. Trade up to crypto. Don't be giving out theirs. No creators get paid if you use no fee 40. You got to use the creators. It gives you the same discount. It doesn't even have to be mine. You can use someone else. I'm just saying, you don't use no fee 40. No fee 40 is theirs. They get max out of it. We don't want that. Give it to one of the creators. So what was I gonna say? I don't see an end date for this. That's what I'm still looking. Hold on. So it's 102. 102. Oh, what I was going to say is that I don't like that they have the it's end of day drawdown during the evaluation phase, but when you get funded, it turns into a trailing drawdown. And not only is it a trailing drawdown, but they have a hard breach if you hit your daily loss limit, which is a really good way to prevent, gambling traders. But at the same time, some people like trading the bigger size, and it's a lot easier to hit that daily loss limit. So if you hit that daily loss limit with a funded account, it's a hard breach. So just keep that in mind. But yeah, with the 40% off, I'll just show you what I'm looking at. So it's 102 with Take Profit Trader. And yeah, look, they even did what I was telling you guys before, where it looks like with the activation fees and stuff. I don't know who has an activation fee of 160, but 140. I don't even know who's 149. So they didn't do Apex and Bulenox and stuff because theirs would actually not be that bad. They use two other firms that I don't know who these are that are higher. You can hard breach me any day. Ooh. I thought they mirrored to creators. No, they don't. Now you have to use the creators code and it'll give you the same discount, but if you use no fee 40, they essentially get the commission then. So now you know, code VOLA, baby. Code VOLA works for everything. Works for all your prop firms, works for Amazon, eBay, Instagram, YouTube Premium. Apex is 160 for a lifetime. Apex, it depends on what size account you're trading. But I always just go off the 50K because that's what most people use. Oh, I found the private messages. Docspin. Am I about to get... Oh, wow. All right, you guys got 10 minutes. Get your marbles on the track. Hey, would you find it weird that we bounced off a support level, a support and resistance level, and then went right back up to another support and resistance level? Is that weird to you guys? Doesn't make any... It's so weird how that stuff works. I still need a couple bucks to recover from this shitty consistency rule. Is the $80 activation fee for Apex still on? I don't think so. I think all their discounts right now are gone. The only thing that I think is still live is their reset fee. Because I've noticed that a lot of the people that are still getting accounts with Apex, they're all just resetting old accounts. Did I get any payout from MFF? Yes. It takes 8 minutes from your MyFunded Futures account to your bank account. If you have everything set up, it takes 8 minutes. It's pretty insane. The $85 is still active. Interesting. I don't know because they didn't tell us. They haven't sent out an email. There's nothing in their promotions thing on Discord. Nothing. I just know that the 80% is gone. It's now 50%. But as far as I know, people are still getting the $35 resets. And I guess, apparently, according to Muffy, the $85 lifetime activation is still active. ES made new high of day. NQ yet to push. Interesting. Did Sigma ask a question? Oh yeah, that was the payout question, yeah. Yes, Sigma, welcome. Guys, if you are new here, ! Marbles will get a marble put onto the track. It's a game that we play. That is what the jackpot is for. It's completely free to enter. All I ask is that you hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't already. And every once in a while, we run a race. If you win that race, you win the jackpot. It's completely random. Once you type ! Marbles, it is out of your hand. Your marble is in the race. You have nothing else to do at that point. All you do is sit back and wait for the race to happen, and if you win, you win. It's that simple. All I ask in return is that you hang out, be cool, be nice to everybody. Use code VOLA when you sign up for your prop firm needs. That's it. Have a good time. Have a good time. What is the process to get set up with My Funded Futures? So I have to use a Rise account. Yes, and use the same email you use for My Funded Futures. Yes. Aya is correct. It's pretty easy. Rise is very simple to set up. It hooks right to your bank account. You don't pay with Rise for the accounts. I use credit card. But with My Funded Futures, they pay out with Rise. You also, I think you actually can pay with your bank account now and crypto. Yeah, with My Funded Futures, I'm trying to remember. They're the ones that you can pay with crypto. They have like five different cryptos that you can pay with, like Bitcoin, Ethereum. I don't remember the other ones. Probably Litecoin. I don't remember exactly. But I'm pretty sure they're also hooked up with Plaid now. So you can actually pay with your bank account if you wanted. MFF, okay. Yeah, I thought so. I'm starting to remember all these things. I'm starting to remember. Let's go check how everyone else is doing real quick. I'm assuming David is trading. Let's see. See if he's got any trades. He does not. It's probably pretty slow over there in the stock world. GDT's trading today. I guess he got all those likes on the video. Oh, GDT's doing good. That's Solana, I think it is, right? And the USDT, that's the Tether, USD Tether. Da, 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 da. So it looks like we're making a lower high here after touching that resistance level, which would indicate we might try to continue lower, which sucks for us, but because we're not going to get any trades out of it. I used code VOLA and received 100 nuggets from Chick-fil-A for $20. Guys, I mean, Chick-fil-A, McDonald's, Wendy's, Burger King, you name it, it works. Taco Bell, Chipotle, Even Chipotle, I have a special bowl now. If you go into the app and you make a bowl, it'll come up when you type code VOLA. It'll say Vala's bowl. You just have to make sure you type VOLA as the name, and it'll say Vala's bowl right there at the top. Use code VALA in the Red District in Amsterdam last Saturday. Guys, let me tell you about using code VALA in the Amsterdam Red District. You know what? You got to DM me for that one. I can't give that one out publicly. But if you want to know what it gets you, DM me on Discord. Sean, we can't talk about that one either. But yes. It definitely works at Zishan's gas stations as well. If you go visit any of Zishan's gas stations, you go up to the register and he's there, code VALA, 100%, it's 100% off. But there's a limit. It's a limit to one thing. You get one thing 100% off. I plan to use it one day. Well, you heard that, Karen, because you are the private stripper. DM, please, I need that. I'm a VIP over there. Market Frog goes the backup one? Yeah. For Market Frog, you get 70% off. Nobody wants him, so he's a higher discount. All he does is croak. All right, exclamation point marbles. You got 40 seconds. 40 seconds. There we go. Head lower. Ooh, nice little dive. Almost at 90 tick candle right there. Not bad. Not bad for a bank holiday. Alrighty, here we go. Exclamation point marbles. After this race, we'll put our options for what to get rid of at the end of the 5. All right, closing it up. Alrighty, $107 in 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Muhammad, first one up. You landed on the peg. Jovan out to an early lead. Cornelius, first one out. TCG Andy, Jag Trader. Oh, it might be going a little too far that way. No. Oh, you're good. You're good. You're good. Ooh, ooh, those lasers. TCG Andy is still here. We're gonna follow him. We're gonna follow TCG Andy. Oh, you know, I gotta get my drink out of the freezer. TCG Andy's too far back. We gotta skip. No, Jovan! Trading for pips. Trading for pips. Here we go. And it begins. Trading for pips. Oh, Get rid of that top spin. It's gone. Down. Trading for pips. In. No bump. Lasers. Lasers. No lasers. Go, 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 go. Yes. Trading for pips is down. Oh, I think that's right in the middle. Damn futures. No. There was no lasers. Ethan. No. Gonna miss. John Doe. No. Leptin. Get rid of the top spin. In. No. Wait, who was there? Making Melodies was in there. I didn't even see, but got lasered. George Mitchell. Lasers, lasers, lasers. No, Vincenzo. No. No. Exclamation point marbles. Get them in. 108. 108 is where we're at. Get them in, get them in, get them in. All right, so what do we want to get rid of? What do we want to get rid of? Or do we want to make like the whole bigger? What are we voting for here? 11:15 will be the next race. 11:15. I'm assuming one of the lasers at the end will be on the list. What else? Oh, we voted on the hole on Friday? Okay, so we'll do a laser and the hole. What to add / get rid of? Make fall hole bigger. Get rid of 1 of 3 lasers after drop down. Rid. Alrighty. Get your boats in. See, I think I would personally want to get rid of the lasers, because I think the lasers, if you make it down, you have a better chance of falling into the hole than you do of not getting lasered. The lasers, I feel like I would want to go first. Trader John Gray, thanks for the subscription. Welcome to the VOLA gang. May the ticks be with you. Let's go. I like that way better. GDT. I went to GDT's live stream and he just left me. Just left me. Jerk. It does kind of look like a Head and Shoulders, doesn't it? Exclamation point marbles. Get them in, get them in, get them in. Hit that like button on this while you're doing it. All right, we are coming down to retry this wick through. Woo! Are we on the funded? No, we're on the... All right, let's go. I might actually trade this if we get a big push. If we retested the bottom of that and then started to fake it out, I'd probably try to get in. Push through, push through. Didn't quite get the fill there on the way back up. See if it comes back down. Look for a little bit more of an extension here. All right, we're in. This is just the eval. We're not at the highs or the lows, so I'm just playing the eval here. All right, there's 40 ticks. I probably should switch over to the NQ while I'm trading the eval. Although we're up a decent amount today. Let's switch over to the NQ if we're going to trade the eval. One contract, 40 ticks on the eval would be $200, which would be nice. Instead of the 40 that we were getting. I was hoping we get a little bit more continuation, but hey, what do you know? The bands. I could have passed it today. The stupid one tick got out at 1520. Boo. You're saying your take profit, you missed it by a tick? You would have passed? If so, that sucks. Womp womp. Do you guys see the Starship flight? Did you see it come back down, the booster, get caught by the tower? Amazed. Absolutely amazed. Where's Jeff Bezos at? I don't know. I don't know. I bet he's jealous. SpaceX definitely moves forward very quickly. Hey, remember when I said on the MNQ we'd come down and retest that 530 area? It's starting to look like a possibility. Starting to look like a possibility. We're living in the future. Yeah, it's pretty crazy. Like a volcano. Let's go back over to the NQ here. Make sure we're on the right account. We are. Come on, drop it. Go, 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 go. Nah. Go. Go. Do it, do it, do it, do it. Do it. Yes, in. See if we get the bounce. Just looking for the retest of that previous candle. Man, I should have put my order right on that line, huh? You know, that was drawn from earlier. Just a pretty obvious support resistance line. Would have nailed that entry. I already would be out if I was looking for 40 ticks. Oh, it's flirting with us. Come on, just previous candle. Oh, it is flirting with us right there. Come on. Come on, previous candle. Oh, well, that's poopy. Look how close we got. $566.25. 3 ticks. Or no, 5 ticks. I did the math backwards. I was about to add, but didn't think it was necessary. I was a little close. Could have obviously taken it off, but
you gotta give it that.
So I'm not being as
Spit on that thing. You get me?
risk appropriate. Where's that line we have drawn? Right at 530. Guess I should have took it off, huh? Did not get that fill. That would have been a nice one there if it starts to bounce from here. Nice little down move here. Oh, look at that. It went right to 530. Huh. Who would have thought? It's like magic. Not the hawk to it, make you change everything. Good. Good old hawk to it. All right, still feeling okay about this. We got two contracts here. 50 ticks is what I'm looking at here. If we can get a bounce up towards that retest. Now I'm looking for the bigger retest. Came down, bounced right off 230. I would suspect that if we come back down to the 530 area, sorry, not 230, 530, that we'll probably not go lower right away, because like I said, that's a pretty big area on the daily. So I'd suspect that we'll get some sort of a bounce in this area, and then if it wants to continue through, it will. It's not saying it can't happen. I'm actually going to put a little for science trade out here, just in case it wants to do it. Nope, bought right back up so far. Let's see if we can start making our way back up towards the retest. Should've just wait till we hit the bands, huh? Would've been a lot easier. Yes, finally for science. I don't know, now that we're trying higher now, I almost feel like this is a cut, not an ad. If I was gonna get the ad, it would have been on that test right there. Now, if we fail to move higher for the retest, we probably do end up going lower. Just need one good little push back up towards the retest. But when I'm talking about retest, I'm talking about all the way up here at 574. But obviously I'm front running that a little bit. All right, let's see if we can get through. We should get a little push here if we get through this 552 area. All right, we're through. Not quite getting the push I was hoping for. There we go. See if we can continue. Go, 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 go. Come on, push it up, push it up, push it up. Come on, bounce back up there. There we go. Come on. Push it up, push it up. If we break the top of this candle, I am going to put a stop at break even. Finish this candle strong. Get up there. Get up there. Go. Go. All right, stops and break even though we didn't break that candle. I'm not going to let this go back down. That's frustrating. We couldn't get that extra little push. So just a small win there. It'll be frustrating if it ends up working, but I wasn't going to give it the chance to go all the way back down. The reason I said once it breaks that candle is because the odds are we should have got the push up, but if not, the odds are it's probably going to work back down, which, as you can see, we'd be in the red again right here. But I will look to possibly get back in if we make our ways back to the lows here. We got 7 minutes until marbles. 7 minutes. Show us the settings and the how to add the channel. So in order to do that, I would have to... Kumar, subscribe to the channel. Thank you, thank you. So you're gonna go over, right click and go to indicators, add indicator. And then this is what pops up. Oops, where'd it go? I think I exited out by accident. It's not letting me move. Why is it not letting me move it? I can't move the indicators button or thing. What the heck? It's not letting me move it. No idea. Anyways, oh, of course it's working. Right click, go to indicators, add indicator, type in Keltner channel or just Keltner. It'll pop up, double click it. And then where it says period of MA for Keltner channels, change 20 to 13. And then right under that where it says coefficient of channels width, change that from 2 to 4. And there you go. And my lighting is so off when I don't have my regular screen up. I think that's right where my order was too. That's frustrating. No big deal, it's just one trade. Didn't I say thanks to Kumar? I thought I did. 5 minutes, get your marbles on the track. Get them in, get them in, get them in. Are we still following that trend line? No, we're not. Going to the gym today, and I have softball tonight. I might lose 2 pounds today. I might, depending on what I eat. I was actually thinking about grabbing Chipotle. Oh wait, I have the late games tonight. Means I'll eat with the fam. Eat with the fam. Let's see, yeah, 8:30. I hate late games, man, because I come home and then I'm just awake. I don't get home until 11 o'clock. 72 votes and 57 people watching and 42 likes. What's happening here? We should have 72 likes. If there's 72 votes, there should be 72 likes. That is kind of crazy. Troy Ogden. You always make me think of Jonathan Ogden. Started the challenge today on my funded futures. Use code VOLA. ASR, thank you. I appreciate that. Good luck to you. Here to answer any questions if you have them. OMFG, 21 more days till Trump. That is Discord talk, Zishan, not stream talk. All right, we got 2 minutes. Exclamation point marbles, get them in. Looks like we are coming up for that full retest. Makes me feel like an idiot. I don't hate my decision there. Just frustrating that our average was where it was. Had our average been down lower, we would have still been in the trade, but it happens. Freedom of speech, sir. That is true. I also have the freedom to ban you, so. I'm just kidding. You know I would always do that. Freedom of this boot. Up your 1 minute. Exclamation point marbles, get them in. We're going to run the same track that we did on Friday to give away those accounts at noon. By the way. All right, we're back to previous support. Does it get used as resistance? There's the full retest. Ooh, we broke through. Have to see what comes about after the marbles race. I would never talk politics here. My credit score went up to 720. Oh, I've been meaning to actually check mine lately. All right, closing it up. If you're in, you're in. Oops. 133. Holy crap. You guys are going crazy on those alt accounts. I like it. The effort. I don't like that you're cheating, but I like the effort. Here we go. $108. Wow, my imposter be talking shit. 3, 2, 1. Let's get it. Karen Moore, first one up. Let's go. Alrighty, Ethan out to an early lead. And only 59 likes. I know. If you guys are going to cheat at the marbles race, at least hit the like button while you're, typing in exclamation point marbles, You know? Look, Code Vala's in there. Let's go, Code Vala. Let's go. I got the poop marble, the poop colored marble. Look at that. Let's go. Let's go, VOLA. You can do it. I got faith in you. Just go right around there. No, no, no. Go around. Go around. No. No! Marie? Here we go. Whoa! Glenn, where are you going, brother? Oh! I don't think Marie's gonna make it. Oh, I can't find who's... It won't let me. Down? No bump? Lasers? Lasers. Ethan, no. Joss B. Yes! Top spin gone. Down we go. No! Muffy the cat, no. No. Who is that trader? No. Trader John Gray, new subscriber. Let's go. Down the hole. In. No bump. Lasers. Go away, lasers. Let's go. Trader John Gray. This is probably his first marbles race ever. And he's going to go down into the pit. Maybe. Maybe. Yep. Into the laser. He didn't even get the privilege to go into the pit. Trading bot. Lasers. Lasers. Greg Smithy. Ew. Donovan, no, you guys are both gonna... Exclamation point marbles! Get them in! $109 is what the jackpot is up to. Do we get rid of one of the 3 lasers before the next race? Do we do it? We did this on Friday. We did do this on Friday. Alrighty. Exclamation point marbles. Guys, while you're typing it in, hit the like button. It takes you a second. Exclamation point marbles like. Exclamation point marbles like. Exclamation point marbles like. Watch. Exclamation point marbles. Like. See? That's simple. Before you, just one extra click. Click the like button before you click YouTube, whatever it is, to go to your next account. I love it. I love it. 109. 109. Do it at 11:45. And then 12 o'clock, we give away Tradeify accounts. Let's go. All right, it's starting to look like we're heading up. Tried to reject that line, but now we're back above it. Tony with the fire. I don't even know if the like button really does anything. I just like to see the number go up there. I just like to see the high number. I'm not used to it. I'm not one of these fancy streamers with 100+ people watching at any given time. So it's nice to see the number go up. I'm also not going to lie. I am super hungry today. All right, we're trying to go higher. If we get a big push from here straight into this area, look at this. Resistance, resistance, support, resistance, resistance. If we can get a big push right now into this area, I'd be down to short it. Alrighty, alrighty, alrighty. Alrighty then. Alright, alright, alright. Got a little bit of a fake to the upside there. Headed back down now. We are kind of entering into the lunch hour on a day that I wasn't expecting volume to be that great. To be fair, we did get a decent move. But then we did come all the way back down to that line off the daily. Ooh, big little push down here. See if David's gotten any trades. He has not. It's got to be so boring. How about them Ravens? Just saying. To all you Skins fans, it's okay. It's okay. I will say Jaden Daniels is real. That dude is great. This number got to go up and the scale number got to go down is the good life. If you like the video, then you like the video. Simple. Yeah, I agree. I agree. Oh, baby, you're making me crazy. Dun, 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 dun. By the way, anyone who is not on my email list on daytradingcoupons.com, as you can see down there in the bottom middle of the screen, what that is, it's a website. It's just simple. It's the props that I personally use, and I always keep their discounts updated. It's that simple. It's that simple. And then whenever there's like a big influx of new sales, I'll send out an email, and that's the only time I do it. It's the only time I do it. I guess Tradeify, I can actually put it 55% off, right? Oh, I'm just gonna leave it because it's probably gonna change. Bulenox, let me see if they changed it yet. Take Profit Trader, I do need to change that one. That one's 40%. Do I still have that on the Stream Elements thing? I changed the Apex one, but did I change Take Profit Trader? Oh, I don't even have Take Profit Trader on there. Oh man. Oof. That's what we call that. Oof. Well, at least I know I'm not giving you misinformation. Yeah, I just saw that 2 people had signed up for the newsletter over the weekend, so I was just letting that be known. Bulenox. It's like, I know I was checking something. See if they took it off yet, or changed it, or extended it. All right, we're dipping down. I'm watching this drop. I might actually be interested because it's right where the bands are as well. Still on the NQ here. Let's put our take profit back out as well. I'll put that trade out there for the time being while I check. So they did extend it. So Bulenox, they extended to the 15th, which is tomorrow. It seems to be their go-to. They wait till it expires and they extend it. All right, just looking for science trade here. So far, it has not come all the way down yet, though. So I might actually be looking for a bigger push. I was really looking for it to happen on that candle because it was a bigger candle down. Yeah. I'll leave that there for the time being. Exclamation point marbles, get them in, get them in. You got 15 minutes. Got plenty of time, plenty of time. Chart's coming back down. What a big candle there. Let's go. Give us the extra push. The for science trade would have worked. No! I'm pretty sure we would have already got filled. Definitely would have got filled. Damn. Now we gotta adjust here. For science trade, no, should have left it. Messed it up. Bam, 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 bam. Boo! Look at that. For science trade would have been perfect. Actually, quite the push back up there. What's the setting on your Keltner's channels? It is 13 MA for the middle, and then it's a 4 standard deviation on the outsides. If you're using Quantower, they call it coefficient. So it would be 4 on the coefficient. So 13 MA, 4 on the coefficient. If you're using something else, they usually call it standard deviation. We got about 10 minutes. Get your marbles on the track if you haven't already. I am waiting for Tradeify to announce how many accounts they're going to allow, and I'm probably going to send out an email to everybody. I'm also working on videos for each of the 5 props that I currently represent, which are Apex, Bulenox, Take Profit Trader, My Fund of Futures, and Tradeify. They're all going to be really quick, like 3-minute videos for the people with short attention spans. Time to give me my Tradeify account. Gotta win the race. Gotta win the race. At noon. At noon. It's coming. We got one more jackpot race, which, you know what? I'm going to go in there. I'm going to get rid of one of the lasers. I think I did this last Friday. I kind of like it and give you a kind of a preview into tomorrow's races. Which laser do you guys want to get rid of? 1, 2, or 3? Which laser do you want to get rid of? 1, 2, or 3? We just see 1s, 2s, or 3s in the chat. Give them to me. Give them to me. 3, 1. Got too many people getting all their extra accounts in. 1. Wow, Karen and Donovan going Oppo. Karen's very Karen really wants 3. You know what? Since Karen is participating the most, I think that's what we're gonna do. 3 it is. All right, we're down to 2 lasers. Four. Da, 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 da. Well, now the chart's kind of boring. Now the chart's kind of boring. I really hope I see a 1 tomorrow morning on the scale. I am so ready to stop playing with the under part of my mustache. Everyone's too busy switching accounts, Karen. They're like robots right now. Exclamation point marbles, switch account. 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 Everybody, don't forget to smash the like button. Let's go. People are funny. Yeah. Yes, they are. That they are funny. That they are. That sounds like too much work. It is too much work, but money's money, you know? Some people want the money more so than others. Hit that like button and don't forget to use code VOLA! Raise your hand if you got one account. Good luck with that. Happy Thanksgiving to any Canadians in here. I had way too much turkey yesterday. Yeah, I was talking to David yesterday and he was like, sorry, man, I can't talk right now. I'm having Thanksgiving. And I was like, you damn Canadians. Raise my hand. Kevin Baker don't need multiple accounts. People don't know that if you hit the like, your marble gets a 50% speed boost. Yeah, speed boost isn't necessarily a great thing on this track, you know? It's not necessarily a bad thing, but it's not necessarily a great thing either. If you need to make it through the track, chance. You also get steering controls. That would be pretty cool. Are we coming back down or no? You guys got 3 minutes. All right, we got 2 minutes. Exclamation point marbles, get them in. Was Methodical Man live today? I didn't even... Let me check. I haven't really been like paying too much attention to others. I don't see him. No? Yeah. All right, you got 1 minute for this, the last race for today, and then we'll do the Tradeify giveaways at 12. Exclamation point marbles. As we're headed back down to the lows here. What's up? I can't right now. No, I can't. I'm on a call, babe. I'm on my work meeting. Alrighty, here we go. Closing it up, and then I'll open it back up for the first Tradeify giveaway. Let's get over to marbles. You're such a silly goose. All right, closed up. Kevin, you were already in there. 151. Let's go. You guys were active. All right, so this is for the $109 jackpot. After this race, we will be doing the entries for the Tradeify giveaways. There's going to be 3 separate Tradeify giveaways. There's going to be 150K advanced, 150K growth, and then 150K straight to funded. Here we go. It was 151. Crypto life, what's going on? My average trading to payout is 14 days. Do you think it's too long? I've been trying for 10 days, but I think it's way too hard. No, man. If you're getting the payout every 14 days, what's wrong with that? Congrats that you're getting the payouts. Let's go. It's no rush. No rush. All right, here we go. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Ivan, first one up. All you got to do if you are new here, just win. All you got to do is make it to the end. Fall into the hole, and you are the winner of the jackpot. No problem, Crypto. Aaron Stevens. Boop. Neo. Neo taking the right line here to possibly be first. Whoa! Gotta watch those balls. Making melodies. Takes the early lead. Oh no, David, no! Brago, where'd you go, man? Nathalie also gone. Neo's still out in front. Oh, you're good. Drawdown King, we have the 3 Tradeify giveaways that we're going to be doing at 12. This is the last one of the day for the current jackpot. We do these every day, guys. We try to give away this jackpot every day. All you gotta do is be here. Exclamation point, like in the, or exclamation point like, exclamation point marbles in the chat. And then just hit that like button. That's all I ask. It's completely free. Green on my funded futures value. Let's go. 400 more, and I'm requesting that she. Let's go. Yeah, every day I wake up, I'm like, should I just take the money? And then I'm like, nope, I'm building that account. I'm building it. I'm being so patient with my trades on that one. Oh, no. No. There's no water to fall in. Looks dangerous. Francis, get rid of the top spin. Yes, in. Scott did not get rid of the top spin. No! The bounce out. Jocko. Everybody start blowing on him. He likes the blow dryer. No! No! All right, I think we know what we're going to do next, huh? Oh, okay, we finally got one. John Paul. No bump, only 2 lasers. Oh. Amber alert. Churchville, that's like nowhere near me. Mickey Mick. No! Keeter, no. No! No one's making it down. Nehemiah's no. Do we have... Oh, okay, we got 2 shots here. Casey? Come on, Casey. Ivan should be straight behind. Oh, that actually comes through on my watch, too. That's kind of cool. All right, Casey, got to get rid of the top spin. No one even made it through the lasers. 151 marbles. No, I thought you were going to bounce out. Here we go. Go away, lasers. Yes. No! Ah! All right, Jackpot's 110. That'll be starting at 110 tomorrow. Exclamation point marbles. Get them in for the first Tradeify giveaway. Get them in. Get them in. Up to 110 for the jackpot. We'll start at 110 tomorrow morning. The first race is always at 9:40. All you gotta do is be here. Tradeify giveaway. We're gonna start from the bottom and go to the top. Got 3 accounts to give away. First account we're going to give away is the advanced account. Second account we're going to give away is the growth account. And the third account is going to be the straight to funded account. They're all 150K accounts. Well, let's go. Exclamation point marbles, get them in. We're going to do the first one at 12 noon. Making a little bit of a W here on the chart. Do we go all the way back up? Back to the highs we are going, you think? Question mark? Oh, yeah, as Donovan would say, ooh-wee. Ooh-wee, get them in. For anybody in the Churchville, Maryland area, there's an Amber Alert. Ohio tag JFK. I'm not making this up. 3146. It's a 2022 gray Nissan Altima 4-door. That's where GDT's down near there. Get them in, exclamation point marbles. Now keep in mind, the track that we're going to race is a lot easier. It's still a death map, but it's a lot easier to beat. However, we're doing 1 winner per race. So if more than one marble makes it to the end, whoever comes in first is the winner of the giveaway. And then we're going to do it 3 separate times. Because on Friday, I raced 1,000 marbles on this just to see what it would be. And only 1 made it. And then we had like 80 or something like that on Friday, and two made it. I was very confused. But so it is a winnable map, which is good because we don't want to sit here playing all like over and over and over again. It's mine, buddy. Don't even try me. Amber alert, Rayu. Oh, is Rayu asking what an Amber alert is? At what time do I get my account? 12 o'clock? Yeah, buddy. Yeah, Amber alert is when a kid has been taken. A lot of times you'd be surprised it's domestic. A lot of times it's like the father or the mother will come take the kid. And it's kind of sad. It really is. It's usually not like an actual kidnapping. It's also crazy that it's at this time during the day because of school. All right, got 5 minutes and 25 seconds. 5 minutes, 25 seconds. Go. Get them in. Exclamation point marbles. Hit that like button. Wow, we're almost to 100 likes. Let's go. I know they're not all real, but it's okay. I still like the thought. I thought tomorrow or today the market was going to be weak. Yeah, I did too. But the market's actually been moving pretty well. To all of our surprise. Yeah, this kind of got used again. Not really. I mean, yeah, it did. Resistance and support. Yeah, we'll leave it. If anything, I'd say this one didn't really get used. Yours did too, Tony. Are you in Maryland now, Tony? I thought you were somewhere else. You know who I haven't seen today is Jason. I was planning on advancing our lunch plans, but I haven't seen him here today. I know we picked the place, but I was gonna see when he wanted to go. That day is gonna be tough for me because I'm gonna eat lunch, and I'm not used to eating lunch. My body is already adapted to only eating dinner. It's been pretty nice. The longer I can wait, the better too. Like if I can wait till like 5:30, 6 o'clock instead of eating with the kids at like 4:30, it's been amazing. I can't wait for this mustache to get trimmed. It is so annoying, and it's why I keep it, because it's motivation. But I can't. There's no way I can keep it the entire time. It would bother me way too much. 3.5 minutes. Let's go. Tony's like, you caught me mid account switch. You're gonna have to wait till I switch back. Or he's just on that much of a delay. Hit that like button if you haven't already. We're 4 likes away. Time to send me my Tradeify account, says Rayu. We'll see. We'll see. You're gonna have to beat out like 200 other fake marbles. I've been doing OMAD for 6 months now. Dropped 20 kilograms, roughly 45 pounds. Hell yeah. Yeah, OMAD, it's hard to get used to, but once you do, it's so easy. Like once your body is used to not eating until that time that you eat, it's really not that hard. Now, people that eat in the morning, I don't know how they do it. I know you're from Baltimore, but I thought you said you moved out of state. Am I thinking of somebody else? I know you're from Baltimore. You're my sports guy. That we talk sports all the time. But for some reason I thought that you had moved. Just out Parkville till end of the year. Oh, maybe you said you are gonna move, but you're here now. You have a guy. Shh. Take it from me, I'm skinny Indian dude who eat less. Yeah, but see, the thing is, you claim to eat a lot, you just can't gain weight. I'm jealous. I might start doing that. LMAO 200 accounts would be a crazy percentage chance to win. I mean, you're not wrong, but at the same time, you'd have to sit there every race and swap through 200 accounts, usually within 15 minutes. I got a sports guy, a marbles guy. I got a YouTube guy, a website guy. I got a wife guy who takes care of my wife when I don't feel like it. His name's Steve. A VOLA guy. Next year, O's game and soft crabs sandwiches? Yes. Well, I was going to ask if you wanted to join me and Jason. 200 tabs, copy paste them. You can't. You can't. Each tab would be logged into the same account. You can't log into different tabs or different accounts on different tabs. YouTube don't work like that. I have a guy. He tells me. No, that's where you're wrong. You can? Nah. The problem with most Indians, they're skinny when young, but they get older and they're never able to get rid of the belly. You can, in fact, do that? Are you serious? Wow, you guys are cheaters. Send a video for proof. You cheaters. All right, 30 seconds. Tested it. Oh, man. I didn't know I was getting that cheated. One more like. Somebody hit the like button that hasn't already. We're at 99. 999. 15 seconds. Let's go. There it is. 100. Let's go. All right. If you could only open it up for 1 minute, they couldn't do all the other counts. I know. I was doing that for a while. All right, here we go. Closing it up. Where is my mouse? I can't find my mouse. Oh, there it is. All right. All right. Advanced account. Hold on. We got to add the names. Clear. Open. 140. That wasn't even as much as the last one. All right. Here we go. 140. This is for the Tradeify 150K advanced accounts. This is the first one. We're going to give away 3 total accounts. So right when this one is over, we're going to start the exclamation point marbles for the next one. Here we go. So here's the quick map. You just got to make it down these stairs, which you can fall off the sides. And then you go into here and there's just lasers everywhere. All you have to do, see this back wall? You make it to that back wall, you win. That's it. But you have to be the first one to make it through the hole that's there. That's it. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Let's go! Chico Taco, first one down. Stay on. No, Cecilian's gone. Got to loop around. You got to stay in the middle. Got to stay in the middle. It's a lot easier on the second set. Oh yeah, and you got to play Frogger, but I'm calling it Carrer, I guess. It's like Frogger. You got to cross the road without hitting one of these things. Oh no! Here we go. Here we go. JT Cooper, first one in. Oh, laser. Joss B. Joss B. To the second stage. Little jumpy jump. He's almost there. No way. No, Joss. Report 987. He's there. And he's already towards the middle. No, you gotta beat whoever's coming down. Chris Love, you're through too. Joss B, you're gonna make it, but you're not gonna be first. No, Chris fell off the side. Report, what are you doing? Joss, all you gotta do is beat him. Report 987 is totally a second account. Who's it gonna be? They're both moving, but who's gonna move faster? The suspense. Who's gonna fall through first? It's looking like Joss. Joss comes around the corner first. Let's go. Joss is in. Joss is the winner. Let's go, Joss. Report, you were there so early. All you had to do was fall first. Joss B. Congrats. 150K advanced account rigged. Don't think so. All right. Exclamation point marbles in chat. What I need you, Joss B, is to find me in Discord. And I will get you taken care of. The Discord link, it's going to be mixed in with all the exclamation point marbles. I'm going to keep posting it. All you got to do is click it. Oh, I think I posted it twice there for a second. Discord link's in there somewhere. You got to find it if you're not in there already. It's there. Click it. Join the Discord. Find me in Discord. I'll verify it's you, and then I'll shoot that account over to you. It's easy. It's just a code. Tradeify makes it nice and easy. All I got to do is give you a code. So see how 2 people won? Only the first one wins. And we go from there. Let's go. Exclamation point marbles will run the next one at 12:15. 12:15. And then the last one will be at 12:30. Oh, Jesus fuck. What the hell was that? What the hell? Something like blow up my ears. All right, let's start some music again while we're chilling. Should have taken that long. Yeah, I don't. That's not my. It's not my ordeal. I don't really take those types of trades. How do we see who won? You could just go back in the stream a little bit and just go backwards. But it was Joss B. Joss B won the advanced account. So we still have the growth, the 150K growth account and the 150K straight to funded account. The next one we're giving away is the 150K growth account. You have until 12:15 to type exclamation point marbles in the chat. That's all you gotta do. It's completely random after that. I just think it's crazy that Joss was like one of the first ones into that second area and made it all the way through. That was pretty crazy. No, that was for the growth account or the advanced account. We're doing the growth account. You have to play a game to win. You do, but you don't actually have to play. All you have to do is type exclamation point marbles in the chat. The game plays itself. It's completely random. What difference between growth and advanced account? So the advanced account is more like your typical like Apex or Bulenox account where you get an eval and then you would actually have to pay for the activation fee, which is $125 if you pass the eval. The growth account is more like a MyFunded Futures account. So the growth account, it's an upfront cost, a little bit more, but if you pass the eval, there is no activation fee. It goes straight to the funded account. And then the straight to funded is obvious. It just is a funded account. So it's kind of like the advanced account. It's like a happy medium. Like you win the eval, it's still a decent amount, right? I mean, what's 40%? 229 times 0.4. So it's still minus 91. It's still a $137 account that you're winning. The growth account is $439. Oops. You're getting $175 off, which is a $264 account. And then the straight to funded 150K account is a $420 account. So we're giving away, what's that? 420 plus 264 plus 137. That's $820 in accounts that we're giving away today. $820 in accounts. All you gotta do is win a marbles race. That's it. Exclamation point marbles in the chat. Hit the like button. And I might be giving away at least one straight to funded account every week. We'll see though. We'll see though. That's a maybe, but I'm pretty sure it's gonna happen. The Discord, I posted it like 100 times, man. Come on. I'm just kidding. It's right there. There we go. Yeah, of course. And then we have the normal jackpot that we try to give away all day, every day. Well, not all day, but while I'm streaming, I'm trying to give that thing away via the normal races. These My Funded Futures, Tradeify account giveaways and stuff, those are extra. It could be a life-changing giveaway. Imagine you win one. So this wouldn't be the first time. I've had people message me and say, even on stream, people that have won accounts that I've given away, they've gotten to payouts on those accounts. And that makes me feel amazing. Like I want nothing more than to give these accounts away and you make money off of them. Like that is just such a awesome thing. All right, you got 5 minutes. 5 minutes to get your marbles on the track for the Tradeify 150K growth accounts. Marbles are day. Let's go. Call me Code Marbles. Hey, Get 'em, Aya. My Funded Futures account is 1/3 already. They're $500 Friday and $500 today. Easy money. What are you talking about? Oh, you. Nice. Good stuff, AS. Excuse me. I was 3rd place last week. Just missed getting an account. Oh, that's such a bummer. Is there any discount code for Tradeify? There is. Right now, it's 40% off. Today is actually their last day that they have 40% off. So it's 40% off straight to funded. It's 55% off the advanced and the growth accounts. So that code VOLA, it works for them. I know we joke about code VOLA all the time, but no, it does work for them. All right, Jassy boy, let's see what you got here. Jass, so here's what I need you to do, Mr. Jass. I need you to go up to the top right of your YouTube, right here. I need you to click this, your avatar, and I need you to screenshot this whole area. So I need your name, the avatar, and your little @ symbol. Once you send that to me on Discord, I will shoot you the code for Tradeify. For anyone who wins in the future, that's what I need. Yeah, I hit premium and... Oh no, that was my subscriptions. I say I hit premium sometimes and I get people that show up that I'm not subscribed to. But, you know, it is what it is. Gotta keep tabs. I really don't, though. That's the funny part. When I say I'm going to check on everybody, that's... Can you pass the growth account in 1 day? I'm pretty sure they're all available to pass in 1 day. So I don't see why not. You can. It actually says it right here. I went to check. Minimum trading days to pass, 1. Well, we'd be doing the 150K account, but yeah, it's the same for all of them. So just to give you guys an example. So on the advanced accounts, there's no daily loss limit, and the trailing drawdown obviously changes, but your drawdown is intraday. So like I said, it's more like your Apex and Bulenox accounts. The growth accounts, it's end of day, and you have a daily loss limit, but it's a soft breach. It even says it right there, soft breach. So keep that in mind as well. And there's no activation fee for those because, like I said, those are more like your My Funded Futures accounts. And then straight to funded, I mean, you're funded. So you don't have to worry about any of that. And it is end of day still. And they do still have the daily loss limit, but it is a soft breach. So that's like the main differences between the accounts. All right, you got 1.5 minutes. Exclamation point marbles. And then we'll be giving away the 150K Tradeify growth accounts. Just sent you a screenshot. I'm on my phone. That's all good. Let's see. Verify, verify. You're good to go, man. Thanks for verifying. Let me shoot you the correct code here. All right, sent it over to you. Congrats, Joss. You got 30 seconds. 30 seconds. Now, the only people who can't re-win these accounts are the people who won one of the other ones. So, like, if Joss won again, he can't win one of these. That would be a little unfair. But the odds of it happening, probably not that high anyway, but. Alrighty, here we go. So if you win these accounts, do you get 1 month to pass except for the straight to funded? It's a very valid question that I don't know the answer to. But I'm pretty sure theirs is per month. I don't remember reading it anywhere, but I'm pretty positive it's per month. So yes, you would have to pass it within a month. It's a good question, but I'm pretty positive that it's a month. All right, here we go. Sorry, that was a good question. You made me think for a second. Let me get to the right part. You got until I get there. Oops, community favorites. Code VOLA. And closing it up. Here we go. Ooh, You're probably already in there, right? 130. Yeah, you're right there. You're good. All right. 130. All we need is one. This is for the Tradeify 150K growth accounts. Same track, same objective. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Market Frog, first one in. Stay on. Stay on. Stay on. Gotta stay on. No, Donovan, I saw you fall. No. Stock Butcher, no. Here we go. Frogger, Frogger. Frogger, Frogger. Oh, NAF makes it. Market Trend ES makes it. No, you guys didn't make it. Only Market Trend ES does. It is possible that no one will win. It is possible. Lasers. Laser. He is dodging the lasers. No! Quintero. Quintero into part 2. Bouncy, bouncy. Bouncy, bouncy. It's straight through. Quintero, you're through. But so is CPV! CPV took the lead. There's no way that you can win, Quintero. I'm sorry. CPT, though, is going to be the winner. CPV. Winner, winner. Chicken dinner. Go find your alt account, sir, because you have just won. Quintero, you are going to finish. Just not in first. CPV, congrats on the 150K growth account from Tradeify. That's twice now. 2 people won. I don't know. It's somebody on a second account, I guess. But they do have 5 minutes until the end of the race to say that they're here. CPV. Frogga, can you give them the, or let me see, CPV. He's got 5 minutes from now, so we'll give him till 12:23. 12:23. We won't start the exclamation point marbles here yet. I want to make sure he's here. Obviously, it's a second account, right? Hey, there he is. CPV. It takes some time to log in. I thought you just have to switch through the 50 tabs that you have, right? According to right. All right. Exclamation, or you know what? Not yet. Let me get the Discord server out there. I need you to join the Discord server CPV. There it is. We'll go through the verification process once you get in there. Congrats again. Now, exclamation point marbles. Get you in for the 150K Tradeify straight to funded account. We'll run that at 12:30. You have 10 minutes. 10 minutes to get your marbles in. Exclamation point marbles, get them in. I only said that because I knew you'd laugh. Time to try straight to funded. Oh, it's real though. I'll do it. $12.30 exclamation point marbles. Get them in 150K straight to funded. Let's go. Dun, dun, dun. We are breaking back up. It's like a weird looking W, but it's still a W. It's always fun to see who the account, the second account was from. I'm almost done. Relax. All right, I'll go eat. All right, I'm hungry too. Verifying, verifying. Verification is complete. Let me get you your code, sir. I will never tell you who it actually was. That's up to them. All right, you got 4.5 minutes. All right, what do we got? Almost 3 minutes, 3 minutes. Exclamation point marbles, get them in. This is the big one. This is the big one. The straight to funded 150K account. You can make some serious dough on this one. The daily loss limit is $3,750. That's crazy. I can't imagine ever getting close to anywhere close to that. Absolutely insane. I want one of these for myself, but I can't afford it. I can't afford one for myself. I may or may not have a 100K account to give away too, but you know, if you want to do anything special for me, just let me know in my Discord DMs. Their payout rules straight to funded are pretty much the same as Apex. So you need to hit a certain amount, and once you hit that amount, you're good to go. Which I can, let me see what it is for a 150K account, because I only know what it is for a 50K. So your trailing drawdown is $7,500. or the drawdown, sorry, minimum balance needed. So it's whatever that is. So you would need $157,600 to get to payout. And then the max payout on that account is $3,500 or 3,000. Sorry. On the first payout, it's 3,000. But if you get to that point, you're essentially almost guaranteeing yourself 2 payouts. And it's a lifetime account, so you don't have to rush it. Minimum days? It's 10. There is a minimum days. It's 10. Like I said, it's very much like Apex. They took on the straight to sim funded. Their rules are very Apex like. And then like when it comes to scalping and stuff, they're very my funded futures like. And then their payout process is a lot more my funded futures as well. Miss Aya has some. She does always say that she loves the Tradeify accounts. It could be life-changing, you're right. Imagine getting the payout and you essentially almost guarantee yourself 6K. It's a decent amount of money for free if you can get there. All right, the time has come. Don't like Apex anymore after they banned me from new evals. Yeah, you'll have to message me on Discord. I'd like to actually talk to you about that. I'm actually curious to why they're doing that to people. But all right, here we go. Exclamation point marbles in the chat. You have until I get to the right screen, which I'm basically already there. Alrighty, closing it up. Days. Nuts. Alright, closed up. AS, may I ask how many emails you have? I should say had. Here we go. If you're in, you're in. 161 people. Let's get it. 161 marbles, I should say. Here we go. For a 150K Tradeify straight to funded account, all you got to do is be the first one to beat the map. In 3, 2, 1. Let's get it. Rad Matt. No, trading for pips. Oh no, you almost still made it. Rad Matt, Tony Gold, you're gone. No. Rad Matt, first one through. Here we go. Joss B, you can't win this. But it would be interesting. Oh, it looks like you're going to make it. Sounds of Nature. I think you have to be in the middle. I just noticed. No, you don't. Sounds of Nature in. CPV as well. Karen! Let's go. Karen, first one in. No! Sounds of Nature. No! He makes through. Rad Matt! Rad Matt! No! Oh! Seeking! No! SJ7. Bouncy bounce. No! Stay in! No! Palooka. Who is this? Sayabanga FX. We've seen you before! And you're going right in! Sayabanga! FX lover! Winner, chicken dinner! Sayabanga! You should be a futures lover now. Do we have another winner? We do. Anthony's going to win, I think. Oh, no. Look, if you go to the edge there, it knocks you out. Look at Keeter again. Oh, no. Off the edge. Each time we had 2 winners. Sandy, maybe. 3. Over. Got to bounce again. Over. Look at this. No way. Oh, you're going to get hit by the thing, though. Oh. We're going to have 3 winners. That's crazy. Only one, though. Sayabunga. Anthony going to make his way down. Doesn't really matter. Sandy. Oh, you're going into... Sandy can't seem to make its way down. Does this guy sound like Michael Scott when he raises his voice? Oh, the lasers. The lasers got you. Sayabunga. Join the Discord. shoot me a message. We'll get you verified. Let's go. I don't know. Michael Scott. Do I sound like Michael Scott? Another new person? Yeah. The thing is, it's not a new person. It's someone that's always been here with a second account. Most likely. Although I've seen Sayabunga around before. Yeah, Sayabunga's been playing marbles for a while now. If you click on his channel activity, they've been around. I know Joss has been around. Let's check CPV. Where's CPV? Where are you at? Where are you at? Where are you at? Do you need me to post the Discord link? There's CPV. Channel activity. CPV's been in here before. No, not that much though. It was just one other time. So CPV got lucky, even though I know who CPV is, and he's been in the channel before. Sayabunga, no problem. Yeah, 300 is not that much. All right, Discord link coming in. I'll hang out here until I get him his account. Once I get him his account, I'm going to get out of here. I'm probably going to head to the gym to get my mind off of eating because I am pretty hungry at the moment. Not going to lie, I'm pretty hungry. Going to the gym, it's like reverse psychology. We are done marbles for today, though. We will start tomorrow with the $110 jackpot. Code VOLA, guys and girls, by the way, if you are signing up for any of your accounts at Tradeify, Apex, Bulenox, My Fund of Futures, or Take Profit Trader. Those are the 5 places I support. Those are the 5 places I think you should only trade with. All these other places, you know, I mean, Apex has its ups and downs apparently as well, but I've had no problems with Apex. I would love to hear your personal stories with them so I can form more of an opinion on them, but they seem to be taking things in the right direction as of right now. So we'll see. So AS, what you're saying is they shouldn't give Alpine or Nutty any more evals if that's the case, huh? I see Sayabunga in the Discord. Let's see if your Discord matches your channel. Do you know how to verify Sayabunga, or do I have to? Or do I have to tell you how? Sayabunga. It's like Cowabunga, but Saya. Get it? Get it? Get it? You get it? That was a lot of fun. I love giving accounts away. I love it. Just sent you the DM. Oh, sweet. Let's see. Finally, I win something. How do you claim it? All right. So I do have to show you. I need you to go to your YouTube like so. I need you to go top right. I need you to click this. Okay, Alexa, thank you. I need you to take a screenshot of your avatar, your name, and your @ symbol. Send that to me on Discord. Once you send that, I will then send you the code. I told exactly that the Nutty on J stream on Thursday. YouTubers are fine. Yeah, well, I don't have anywhere near that amount, so maybe that's why I don't have to worry about it. Always max payout. Yeah, I wonder if that has something to do with it. Germany, no stream. Well, maybe you should start streaming so that way you you can get back on the. No, I'm just kidding. I don't think that's why, but I mean it could be. You never know. Jay have almost 600. 600 what? Oh, evals? Yeah, and he's gambling the crap out of them. he self-admitted. He self-admits to it. He did say thank you to Alexa. I did. You know, she gives me the right information. I say thank you. What's wrong with that? You think streamers get more leeway? I wouldn't personally know because I follow the rules. So I don't know if I felt like I was getting leeway, I would tell you, but I don't know if that's the case. I mean, if you're being told you can't have any more after just 300, I know for a fact that Nutty and Alpine both have way more than that, and they've both clearly gambled hundreds of them. So there's no reason. But I will say Alpine and Nutty have been talking about trying other firms. Is there a reason? Did they tell them that they can't do what they're doing anymore? Who knows? I don't know. I've never gotten that email. Sayabanga! That is a very good verification. It's like saying that's a good bingo. All right. But he's in YouTube's. But since I switched to other prompts, way better trading with end of day drawdown. Yeah, the end of day drawdown has been kind of a game changer. I do feel. Saibanga, I sent it back. You have the code. You should be all good. Sayabanga, let me know you got it, and then I'm out of here, my man. Yeah, end of day drawdown is great. I will see you all tomorrow. Tomorrow morning, 9:25. As always, the first marbles race for the current jackpot $110 will be at 9:40, as always. I appreciate you all being here. All right, he's saying thanks a lot in the Discord, so I'm assuming he's good to go. So I will see you all tomorrow. Until then, have a good rest of your day. Stay safe. Don't do anything I would do because that always ends in disaster. And until tomorrow, peace.